Welcome to Mock Interview Pro, where we're dedicated to helping you land your dream job as a marine engineer. Today, we'll tackle some common interview questions you might face and show you how to respond with confidence. Let's dive straight into the first question about communicating complex engineering concepts. Could you tell us about a time when you successfully explained complex engineering ideas to people who aren't engineers? This question helps interviewers see if you can break down technical information for different audiences, which is crucial in a collaborative work environment. To effectively answer this question, keep these points in mind. Identify the technical concept you needed to explain. Avoid jargon and simplify the language. Use analogies or relatable examples to make it clearer. Explain why the concept matters to the stakeholders. Encourage questions or feedback to engage your audience. Now, let's look at a sample answer to bring these tips together.
In a previous role, I had to explain the importance of ballast systems to a group of ship owners. I used a car's weight distribution as an analogy, showing them how proper weight affects stability and safety, which aligned with their interests in shipping efficiency. This approach helped them understand and value the concept.
By the way, we're only covering a handful of questions in this video, but I've prepared a free PDF with all 30 top interview questions for Marine Engineer. It also includes example answers and tips to help you prepare with confidence. The download link is just below. Can you share an experience where you faced a significant challenge on a marine engineering project and how you overcame it? Interviewers ask this to assess your problem-solving skills and how you handle tough situations. Here's how you can structure your response. Choose a specific project and outline the problem. Briefly explain the problem and its impact. Describe the steps you took to solve it. Mention any teamwork or communication involved. Conclude with the outcome and lessons learned. Let's see an example of how this can be effectively communicated.
During a retrofit project on a container ship, the new engine blocks didn't align with existing mounts. I organized a team meeting to brainstorm, and we designed custom brackets to adapt the engine mounts. This minimized downtime and improved our timeline, teaching me the value of teamwork under pressure.
Describe a situation where you had a disagreement with a colleague on a marine engineering project. How did you handle it? This question evaluates your conflict resolution skills and ability to work collaboratively. Consider these steps to craft your response. Start by stating the context of the disagreement. Explain the differing viewpoints and their importance. Describe how you resolved the disagreement. Highlight the outcome and lessons learned. Emphasize communication, collaboration, and problem solving. Here's a sample answer to guide you.
During a project to design a new ship hull, I disagreed with a colleague about material choices. They preferred aluminum for weight savings, while I suggested steel for strength. We decided to run simulations on both options, finding that a hybrid approach worked best. This not only resolved our disagreement but also led to a more efficient design.
Imagine you're on a ship and a critical system fails unexpectedly. What steps would you take to address the issue? Interviewers want to see how you handle emergency situations and ensure safety on board. Here's how you should approach your answer. Stay calm and assess the situation quickly. Identify the failed system and its impact. Address any immediate safety concerns. Communicate with the crew about the issue. Implement emergency procedures and troubleshoot the problem. Let's look at how you might respond to this scenario.
If a critical system fails, I would first remain calm and assess the failed system to understand its impact. Ensuring safety is my priority, I would inform the crew, follow emergency protocols, and troubleshoot the issue to restore functionality.
If you're approaching a deadline on a marine engineering project and are behind schedule, what actions would you take? This gauges your time management skills and your ability to prioritize tasks under pressure. Here are some strategies to tackle this question. Quickly identify the reasons for the delay. Assess how the delay affects the project timeline. Communicate with your team and stakeholders to realign priorities. Consider reallocating resources or seeking additional support. Focus on critical tasks to adjust the project plan and get back on track. Here's an example of how you could handle this situation.
First, I would analyze the cause of the delay and identify any bottlenecks. Then, I would discuss with my team where we can speed up. If needed, I'd consider bringing in extra resources. Finally, I would update the project timeline, focusing on critical tasks to meet the deadline.
Before we wrap up, remember you can get all 30 questions, example answers, and step by step tips in a handy PDF. Totally free, just grab it below.